referential integrity, yeah. So you already talked about referential integrity in database too. In that perspective, we talk about as a part of the database, but it is also important for the database security. Why? Because sometimes if you change in one table, the change must be reflected in another table as well if they are connected with each other. So each table has a primary key, minimum set of attributes that uniquely identifies each tuple. So I don't need to define primary key, you already know it. It can be your ID, your student ID, national ID, employee ID. So a table might also have a foreign key or multiple foreign keys, which are primary keys in some other tables. So usually the foreign keys are like taken a copy, is a copy of the primary key from one table to another key. So infrastructure integrity ensure that there are no dangling foreign keys. Okay, so dangling foreign keys means the keys which are not used, which are not, for example, if there are two tables over there. Okay, so before it is, for example, if this is like, for example, primary key over there. Okay, there are, for example, composite, let's suppose, composite primary key, and here the same primary keys are also used as a as a this 2k as a foreign key over here. So what do you mean by the dangling foreign key? Means that in case if you change your this table and make and delete this as a primary key, just only one as a primary key, so it should also be deleted over there. So there should not be the case that both should exist over there. This is called the dangling foreign keys.